Hello. So we have a few more examples here to cover. This is the next example here. A spinner has two congruent sectors, blue and green. So I apologize, I don't have two different colors here. So I'm just writing that this is blue and this is green and this is the spinner here. The pointer is spun once and the coin is tossed as well. So first of all, it's important for us to recognize that these are independent events here because the act of tossing the coin is not affecting the act of spinning the spinner. So the events are separate, basically. So this is the coin that is being tossed. This is the spinner that is being spun. Find the probability of each event. Find the probability of getting blue when you spin the spinner, and that word is very critical, of getting tails when you toss the coin. Find the probability of getting either blue or green. Those words are very key, very important. Either blue or green when you spin the spinner, and tail when you toss the coin. Now remember, we said when you use or, you go with plus. When you use and, you go with times or multiply. So let's see. The probability of getting blue, so this is going to be P of blue and tail. I'm going to use T for tail. P of blue and tail. Let me just go up here. This is P of B times P of T. The probability of blue and the probability of tail. Now, when you're spinning this, you have two things. Remember, we said in most cases we're going to have a fraction. The number on the bottom will be the total number of possibilities that we can have. The number on top will be the exact scenario that we're looking at. The exact scenario here is our chances of getting blue when we spin. We have only two options. There's only one option for blue, so that's 1. Because we have a total of 2 options that we can have when we spin, that is 2, so times. Also, a coin has 2 sides, head and tail. So 2 possibilities in total. The possibility always goes on the bottom. And the scenario we're looking at is our chances of getting tail. It's only 1 chance out of a total of 2. So that is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. The probability of blue or green remember, or is plus blue or green and times probability of tail. We said here that probability of tail is 1 over 2. Now the probability of blue is 1 over 2. I'm going to do this plus the probability of green, again, is only 1 chance in 2. So 1 over 2. Half plus half is 1. So 1 times half is 1 over 2. Because anything multiplied by 1 is that thing. So 5 times 1, 5. 10 times 1, 10. 100 times 1, 100. half times 1 half. Now this takes us to the very last example that we're dealing with here. So one coin is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of each event. So what is the probability of getting 3 heads? Again, these are all independent because you toss the coin first time, you get head, you pick it up. You toss it the second time, you get head, you pick it up. You toss it the third time, you get head, you pick it up. So this is going to be P of H. So probability of head and probability of head and probability of head. And changes to times. And changes to times. So when you toss a coin, the probability of getting head is 1 over the total possibility of 2. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. This is 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. 3 tails is going to be similar. It's going to be P of T and P of T and P of T. And changes to times. P of T times P of T times P of T equals. So the probability of getting tail is 1 in the total possibility of 2. So 1 over 2 equals 1 over 8. So the probability of getting tails is P of T. The probability of heads is P of H. The probability of another tails is P of T. So this is going to be P of T times P of H times P of T. Each one is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 equals 1 over 8. Thank you.